Alright guys, let's jump right in. I just got my hair dyed, so there's a little bit of dye up here, so don't mind that. We're just gonna go with it and it'll cover it up once we get to the makeup. But I've already cleaned and moisturized my face, but I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay Urban Defense Complexion Primer. It has SPF 30. Don't need a lot, a little bit goes a long way, but it's like this clear gel and it is amazing. Once you put it on your face, I just put it between my fingers and press it. And it's just so lightweight and oh my gosh, it feels amazing. I just got this sent to me in a PR package and I've been using it every day. Oh man, it just makes your skin feel like baby soft. Okay, we're gonna start with the eyes today. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Urban Decay did send this to me in a PR package recently, and I think I've used it before, but it's been years. So we're gonna try this out today. Yeah, I think now that I'm feeling it on my skin, I think I've definitely used this before. I think I got like a sample of it maybe. It's very lightweight. I'm just gonna go in with an oldie but a goodie, but my favorite Maybelline, the Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. And I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo brush for this, and I just take it off of here. Well, I hope it's not too ashy, but you guys have seen me do my brows before, so I'm probably gonna just fast forward through this part. Okay, so one brow is done. You can see the difference, matches my roots just a little bit more. We're gonna do the other one. All right, so I'm gonna show you my inspiration for this look. I wanted to do something really crazy, but I figured no one's gonna go like all out craziness for 4th of July, but I thought this was really cool. So red lip, glittery eye, and then the blue underneath. We'll see what happens. This was just kind of my inspiration and we'll see what comes of it. I'm gonna go around the eyes with the Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC, just because I love it so much. And we're gonna go in with a concealer brush from Sephora. And you can use regular concealer here, but if you see the difference, I think it covers pretty well the like veins in your eyes and whatnot. And I like to go around the brows just so that when we do foundation, you don't have to go super close to try to cover up your skin right there that's not covered at all. I'm using my ring finger because it gives the least amount of pressure, but also helps really blend that. We're gonna go in with a BH Cosmetics Fluffy Brush and the Tarteist Pro To Go palette. We're gonna go in with the shade here, Drive, and we're gonna put that in our crease. I just do kind of circular motions and then windshield wiper motions. Really focusing that in and around the crease area and above for me. Now what I'm seeing in the picture is it's a little bit smoky and then a cut crease with the glitter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a Pixie and Wei Li Huang collab, and I'm just gonna go in with this color here very, very lightly in the crease. I'm just gonna use a Morphe M518 brush for this. I'm not taking a lot of product at all, and I'm just gonna focus it in that outer area. I think I could get away with just what's there, but we're gonna darken it up just a little bit. And there's no need to put anything on your actual lid. You can see all my freckles, and then I don't know if you guys remember, but when I came back from Hawaii last year, these white spots and then the freckles, that is just me being out in the sun. For some reason I don't get many freckles here, and it's just like this line that starts I just don't get it. I've done vitamin C, which really helped it last year, but I think it's just gonna be how my skin is because I was born with freckles. I don't know. I put SPF on every day, so I'm gonna try to just avoid the sun on my face and just use self tanner, so we'll see. Now we're gonna go in and cut the crease and then add that glitter. I have the Pixie by Petra glitter. This is the Liquid Fairy Lights in Crystalline that Pixie sent to me in a PR package, and I wanted to try it out. I think this should work, but testing it on the back of my hand doesn't give off a lot of glitter, so I have another option if that doesn't work. Let's go on to cutting that crease. We're gonna use Tarte Shape Tape and that concealer brush from Sephora. And then you guys know what I like to do here, but for anyone that's new, I'll show you. So I like to put product down here and then look up. And then you can see the product transferred. So that's where we want to place the concealer. I'm going all the way over. So there's one eye done. All right, both eyes are done. We're gonna attempt to do this, so we'll see what happens. Pay off, maybe. And I'm gonna avoid putting it down by my lash line because we're gonna use liner there, and it's so hard to get liner on there with glitter. Okay, if I pack it out enough, I think it should be good. I want to let it dry so it doesn't crease before opening your eye. All right, so it took a little bit to dry, but I did my other one. Here is what it looks like. I'm gonna use the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I got this in my FabFitFun box, along with the Tarteist Pro To Go palette and the Pro Glow palette, but we're gonna try this out, see if we can give us a wing. Yeah, it's a pretty big wing. I don't look that great with like a huge wing, but we'll see what happens. That was a lot harder with the glitter. It wasn't a lot harder, but it was still hard. And it sucks because doing a wing on this eye looks great when my eyes shut, but when I open it sometimes it just gets lost with my hooded eye. But that's where we're at right now. It's just hard because with glitter on there, it's hard to get a really smooth line because it's hitting that glitter and making it look very choppy. So she has glitter going out with the wing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. I think what I'm gonna do is do the face, and then we're gonna do the bottom lash line, and then we'll see if we wanna add. Okay, so we already used the Urban Defense primer, which I should have waited to use until now just in case I wiped anything off on my face, but we're all good on that front. So we're gonna move on to foundation. I've been using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I've been trying it out. It's definitely not super matte, but it is good coverage and the color is good right now. I'm using the shade L80. This is True Ivory, so this guy. And then I've still been using my Artiste brush, and I actually really love it because it blends stuff just really nicely. So I'll show you guys. Just really like, I don't know, it works really well for me. And it makes a little bit of foundation go a long way, I feel like. My neck is a little crazy right now. I've been using those tan drops on my face still, and I think it's a little worn off, but I need to self-tan the rest of my body. I haven't been self-tanning it because I got so bit up by mosquitoes last weekend that I can't even like scrub my body put self tanner on because it'll make the mosquito bites itch more. So I've just been avoiding it. Yeah, see, that covered so well, I feel like. I want to get all the other brushes, but they are so pricey. We're going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind under the eyes. If you guys remember me talking about the Estee Lauder Estee Lauder concealer, I never ended up getting it from the Sephora sale, so I don't have it anymore because they sold out, and then when Ulta had it on sale, it was sold out as well, and I'm so mad because I want to buy it again, but I can't justify the money. It's like $26 for the concealer. It's just like the Tarte Shape Tape, but I have the Tarte Shape Tape, so I can use that right now if I need it. The coverage was just so good, but this is way cheaper, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, obviously. Then we're going to use my favorite Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder with their Poof, which I didn't realize was sold separately until recently when I was looking online. I thought it came with it. At least I'm pretty sure it doesn't come with it, but the Poof is amazing. We're going to do a little bronzer on the nose today. The nose just a little bit. I love this brush for it because it makes it super easy. This is the Morphe MB30. I just like use the edge, just that edge part, and just go right there. And then see how there's a line? Obviously you'll want to blend it out. Yeah, so that's that. And then we're going to actually do bronzer. So this is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, my favorite. This is in the shade Light, and I love it. Sun-Kissed Glow. This is the BH Cosmetics Vegan V3 brush. It's from their vegan line. I love this whole set with the silver handles. That's what I have in my collection. I love it. All right, for highlighter, I'm gonna choose one of these Pixie by Petra Glossy Gossamer Duo, but one of them I'm gonna give away soon, probably in my next video. So I gotta figure out which one I wanna use. Delicate Dew or Subtle Sunrise. All right, so I'm gonna go with this guy then. So this is the Delicate Dew. Make sure you guys are subscribed so that you don't miss out on the giveaway. I believe it's gonna be next week too. Ooh, how pretty. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna use my setting brush from Real Techniques. I like it. A little bit on the nose. And a little on the cupid's bow. I used to do my chin, but I don't like that anymore. Makes it look a little oily for me, especially since I get oily throughout the day. All right, for blush, we're gonna use the Tarte. It's the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Parté. And I always forget that a little goes a long way with this guy. So I have to like start really small and pack it on, because the first time I did it, it was way too much. It's just a subtle pink hue. Oh, and this is the blush brush from Real Techniques. Before doing anything else, I'm gonna use a setting spray. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray that they sent me. I love this stuff. Now onto eyes. So I'm gonna do the bottom first. So this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Chaos. And we're gonna use that on the bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna take it out to the wing as well. Ooh, I like that. I am loving this so far. I don't know if I want to bring that glitter out or not. Let me buff this out and then we'll see how I feel. So I'm just going to take a little pencil brush and buff out the blue. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take that glitter out. Let's put some lashes on and we will see what we think. And I have been loving this Bad Gal Bang from Benefit mascara. It is a sample size. I didn't know if I was gonna like it, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm just gonna do my top lashes. You know what? I'm gonna do the bottom as well, so I don't have to go back and do it. So as far as lashes go, I have been slacking on buying some new ones. So we're just gonna use some older ones that have been used before, and they're just the Natural Lash from Ardell. While the lash glue is drying, I'm gonna go over it once it's dry, but we're gonna do lips now. So I have the Dose of Colors Kiss of Fire lipstick. This does not even need lip liner, you guys. It's awesome. And my favorite trick to go in and clean up any lines is take a concealer brush and some concealer, let the lipstick dry a little bit, and then go just kind of outline. Okay, lips are done. I'm gonna fix up my hair real quick. All right guys, so this is the final look. I threw my headband or my bandana on with my earrings from Target. They came in like a pack of quite a few different sizes, and this is the largest size. And then I have my Miranda Fry necklace on. This is the Stephanie necklace after Stephanie Letta on YouTube. She's SMLXO. I love this because it's just that pop of shimmer and then the dainty gold. So you can get 10% off plus free US shipping at mirandafry.com. When you use my code, it is Kelsie, all caps. I will also have it listed down below for you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this same look on 4th of July because I absolutely love it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you're notified each time I put up a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.